After watching this video you will be able to understand the things to have to start a saltwater aquarium. Are you planning to build a home for fish but have no idea about the things to start a saltwater aquarium? If you are a beginner, start with saltwater fish that are not aggressive and picky eaters. You might consider clownfish, cardinalfish, firefish, and other small species. Some fish are sensitive to environmental changes that turn to be territorial, which is dangerous to take care of. After deciding which sea creature is best to care for, you can proceed to the other factors to complete their home. Before having more information about things to have to start a saltwater aquarium, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. 15 things to start a saltwater aquarium. Number 1. Aquarium. Deciding where to put the aquarium is the first thing you need to do before buying one. The style of the tank you will choose, whether an acrylic or glass aquarium, depends on the space provided. Number 2. Aquarium stand. Make sure of a durable aquarium stand for the safety of your pet. Metal-made stands are more recommended than those made of wood, but paying extra is considered. Number 3. Lighting. When you choose to buy not an aquarium kit, you should think twice about picking the right tank lighting. It will depend on the type of system you have set up and on what kind of pet you will keep. Number 4. Filtration system. While some tanks have a built-in filtration system, not all fish keepers might be fully satisfied with it. They might desire to modify or add on to the filter system. The filtration system keeps the water clean from time to time. Number 5. Heater. Keeping a saltwater fish species requires a good quality of warm water to live fully. A single heater is enough for smaller aquariums, while larger tanks advise multiple heater units. Number 6. Thermometer. The thermometer is responsible for checking whether the tank heater is operating at its best. Temperature changes may harm both fish and plants if not appropriately monitored. Number 7. Power heads. Sometimes fishes long for surface waves as their normal habitat provides, and power heads duplicate that water movement. They provide good water circulation in the aquarium. Number 8. Protein skimmer. Nitrates are harmful to saltwater aquarium fish. Skimmer removes organic waste before turning into nitrates. Number 9. Ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI. Contact between water and electricity brings in danger for both parties. Having a GFCI can be a lifesaver. Number 10. Power strip. Many electrical outlets are needed to have a saltwater aquarium. A power strip could provide more than you need to plug all the equipment safely and properly. Number 11. Test kits. Testing the water daily is essential for the sake of saltwater fish. They are sensitive to water parameters, that is why test kits play a big role. Number 12. Substrate. Adding a substrate at the bottom of your tank is optional, but it adds beauty inside the tank. Number 13. Salt mix. A saltwater aquarium will never be completed without a salt mix. It contains elements that are beneficial to other stuff in the tank, like coral growth. Number 14. Hydrometer. After putting up the salt mix, your next job is to make sure the saltwater is at its proper level. A hydrometer is a salinity tester that measures the salt content of the water. Number 15. Maintenance tools. Tank upkeeping is a lot easier with the right maintenance tools and supplies. Things to have to start a saltwater aquarium. Final words. All things are set. It is time to start a new habit of keeping a saltwater fish. Read over the checklist until you get what is necessary to start a saltwater aquarium. For more information about things to have to start a saltwater aquarium, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.